Okay, it's your doctor and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do something a bit different. I received some exclusive merch from Japan concerning my favorite band, Justice. So there was a special event happening in Japan with Justice. And so they produced some exclusive merch there. And it looks pretty cool, so I ordered a t-shirt. It came with a nice surprise of 50 euro taxes from the Douane, which I did not expect you can get that high for a t-shirt. It's gonna be a short video, so I think we just go right into it because I know what you want to see. It's me opening this beautiful package here that is not damaged at all. Not at all through the transport. Okay. Let's go and open this little baby here. We just go and rip it off. Here you go. So that's my t-shirt with that brand here. And a nice... Well, it looks pretty cool. Let me show you full screen. So that's all for this week. I wanted to do something a bit different. I had this package, I just wanted to open it, and so I was like, why not making a video about it? More video games are coming next week, don't worry. But I hope you like this video. If you want more, just let me know. See you next week for another one. I discovered Justice in 2005 with Waters of Nazareth. I think it was broadcast on the radio in France. At the time it was a bit difficult to find who the artists are. If you were not at the right time on the radio and you get the announce that like, oh, we play this track from this artist, it was pretty difficult to find. There was no Shazam, at least not that I remember, and so you had to go into like forum and try to look like, yeah, it sounds like this, and like kind of gather with people the same interest and find them. And so that's how I found Justice.